Well, just hours from now, 7 Republican candidates will take the stage. Their second debate will be broadcast from the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library in California. But once again, the GOP frontrunner will not be taking part. Former President Donald Trump has other plans tonight in Michigan. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, good evening to you. Former President Donald Trump is headed to Michigan today to meet with union members in Clinton Township. That's just north of Detroit, where he'll be giving a speech. Now, this comes just one day after President Biden, who is out west currently in California, walked the picket line in Michigan with striking UAW workers at stake, the 2024 election.
The faces you'll see on stage arguing and debating tonight, pictured on the top row, Doug Burgum, Chris Christie, and Ron DeSantis. And on the bottom row, Nikki Haley, Mike Pence, Vivek Ramaswamy, and Tim Scott. Not pictured, former Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson, who was in the first debate, failed to qualify. Also not pictured, former President Donald Trump, instead giving a primetime speech to keep voters' eyes on him. He's leading his rivals by a wide margin, and the 7 candidates tonight trying to close that gap.
I'm Joe Biden, and I approve this message.
Meanwhile, Biden for president releasing this attack ad against the Republican frontrunner.
He says he stands with auto workers, but as president, Donald Trump passed tax breaks for his rich friends while automakers shuttered their plants, and Michigan lost manufacturing jobs.
And at a campaign fundraiser, President Biden saying Donald Trump and the MAGA Republicans are determined to destroy this democracy. But the Trump campaign with its own harsh critique of President Biden's trip to Detroit, writing, "This is nothing more than a PR stunt from crooked Joe Biden to distract and gaslight the American people from his disastrous Bidenomics policies that have led to so much economic misery across the country." Michigan expected to be a critical battleground state as both candidates try to paint themselves as champions of the working class. In addition to tonight's debate, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis will be going toe-to-toe in another debate this November with California Governor Gavin Newsom, a Democrat who cannot seek a third term there, and who some speculate may be looking to run for the White House himself.
Meanwhile, President Biden is in San Francisco attending a couple of campaign fundraisers. Earlier, he held a meeting with his science advisors on what the White House calls the responsible development of artificial intelligence. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.